Hi guys, let's make one of my favorite mango recipes, mango sticky rice. While the combination of rice and mango might sound weird to you, trust me, it's heaven on earth. You should give it a try. Take any glutinous or sticky rice of your choice and soak it for about 4 to 5 hours. Now take a steamer plate and place the rice in the steamer plate as shown in the video. Steam it for around 30 minutes. It should be well cooked. In the meanwhile, we will make the sauce. Take 1 glass of coconut milk, add 1/4 glass of water to it, followed by that 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give this a good mix and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, our sticky rice is ready and you can see how sticky it is. Let's add some of the prepared sauce to this rice till it is well soaked. Cover and keep it for 20 to 30 minutes. All the coconut milk should get absorbed in the rice. Take small portion of the prepared sauce in a cup and add half teaspoon of corn flour. Microwave it for 30 seconds. Now the rice is ready and we will assemble the dish. Serve this sweet and savory sticky rice with some fresh cut mangoes and pour the microwaved sauce over it. Garnish it with some sesame seeds and enjoy. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel.